welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to have a very special unboxing. This video is sponsored by VIVAIA. They sent me these beautiful shoes and I cannot wait to share them with you. I'm gonna unbox it here on the beach. It's very exciting. Cardios in the morning, so I'm gonna try these shoes and run with it and see if it holds up and if my feet stays comfortable, and if I don't get blisters I will let you know. I always go running in this beach, and yes, cardio is my favorite exercise, and normally I would be bare feet when I run, but today I'm going to use these cute little shoes. Let me run with it. Come run with me. I'm going to run for 2 miles wearing these shoes. And yes, let's go ahead and start. Oh my God. That was so much fun. The shoes stayed comfortable. Oh, the water! I don't want to wet the shoes even if it's machine washable, but that was quite a run. It was a very comfortable run with these comfy shoes. It does feel like sneakers. I'm going up in the stairs and see how it performs, and I'll let you know. I'm having so much fun already. Oh my God. This is interesting. The shoes also feels comfortable walking on the rocks. Wow. It actually molds and conforms to the rocks. It's very comfy. Yeah. Beautiful. And that's Ritz-Carlton right there. Usually go up and down the steps right here for 2 or 3 times. Test these shoes if it's going to make it without hurting my feet. It's about hundreds of steps, so I'm gonna do about 3 times up and down. I'm tired already, but let's do this. I just finished going all the way to the top, and now I'm gonna go down. I usually do it fast, up and down 3 times. This is my typical workout, and I use my sneakers. Super sweaty. It's time to go home. That was great. The shoes is very comfortable. It is indeed like running on your sneakers. So I highly recommend them. Make sure you check their website. They also have an Instagram account, VIVAIA. I will put the link down below. Oh my god, I'm full of sweat. I can't wait to shower. So that was it for my unboxing today. I hope you like these shoes from VIVAIA. Don't forget to check the promo code below, and so you can get extra discount if you use my code. These shoes is very comfortable. You can wear it at work all day and even at nights for a night out. Dancing, running. It's very comfortable like sneakers. And yes, this is also good for doctors out there like me to wear these shoes all day when you're working, especially if you're always standing. This is going to be comfortable. So this shoes is Dr. Zonna approved. Thank you so much, VIVAIA, for sending me these shoes. It's so beautiful, and thank you for sponsoring this video. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video today. It was very fun. I really enjoyed wearing the shoes, and I hope you purchase one for yourself. They also sell bags that are reversible, and you can wash them as well. Go and check their website. I will link all the details in the description below. Thank you and have a nice day. I'll see you on my next one.